What happened to the Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, we will learn about what happened to the Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard. So the Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard was discontinued after the partnership between the Capital One and Walmart ended in May 2024. So existing card holders were transitioned to Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. So Walmart had cited customer service issues as a reason for terminating the partnership, which was originally set to run through 2026. So the customer services issues was that Walmart initiated a lawsuit to terminate the agreement in 2023, alleging that the Capital One failed to meet the services standards and had issues with the payment processing and mailing replacement cards. And if you were a Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard holder, your account was converted to a Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. And as Capital One continued to own and service the accounts. So if you are a new applicant for the Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard was shut down. So as Walmart is seeking new partners to issue its consumer credit cards, Synchrony Bank, Barclays, Coastal Community Bank have been mentioned as potential candidates to issue a new Walmart branded card. So I hope that video clears your doubt and tells you what happened between the Capital One Walmart Rewards Mastercard. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, see you on the next one.